My name is Tom Van Allen. Or Danny Parker. Maybe you can decide who I am. Keep your eyes open. Nothing is as it seems. That's as good a place to start as any. The mad world of the tweaker. The land of the perpetual night party. I am in dire need of some cash.
All right, here we go. The Alpha team is going to be situated in the elevator, all right? The number 2 team is going to be situated over here by the stairwell. Now, every one of us is going to be equipped with night vision goggles and 2-way radio. Come on! Danny, you in, buddy?
I have to pass on this one.
Pooh Bear did so much cack they had to cut his nose off.
Consider my proposition.
Make me an offer.
250,000.
Looks like we got a deal.
Pooh Bear's in.
So you got the 411 on your good old boy. Some 57 slugs into a police informant.
He thinks that you might work for the police.
My name is Tom Van Allen.
Everything that you said is a lie.
Your name's Danny Parker.
His wife was murdered in the Salton Sea.
I say everything to you? Yeah. I know what you're thinking. Sometimes you see the world so clearly, and you know just what to do, or what you should have done in the Salton Sea.
I said, hey, babe, take a walk on the wild side. All right. Huh.